Chapter 7, Introduction to Python. Chapter Surf. What is Python? Features of Python. Opening Python. Creating first program in script mode. Variables. Data types. Python built-in functions. Comments in Python. A computer is an electronic machine that performs its tasks by accepting commands and instructions from the user. A set of instructions that let the computer perform a specific task is called a computer program. Computer programs are written in a language that the computer understands and can execute. These languages are known as programming languages. C, C++, Visual Basic and Java are some popular programming languages. This chapter introduces a new programming language, Python, that is easy to learn and helps in understanding the basics of programming. What is Python? Python is a high-level, interpreted, interactive, and object-oriented scripting language. It was developed by Gyodor van Rossum in 1980s at the National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science. Its first version was released and implemented in 1991. Its high-level built-in data structures combined with dynamic typing make it very attractive for rapid applications development. Python is simple and easy to learn language. Python supports modules and packages which encourages program modularity and code reusability. Large organizations that use Python include Wikipedia, Google, Yahoo, CERN, NASA, Facebook, Amazon, Instagram, and Spotify. The social news networking site, Reddit, is written entirely in Python. Features of Python. In general, Python is user-friendly and a high-level programming language, which makes it worldwide popular. Some features of Python are as follows. Easy to learn due to its simple structure and clearly defined syntax. It is considered an easy-to-learn language. Beginner's language. At the beginning level of programming, it is considerable as it supports the development of a wide range of applications. Free of cost. Python language is freely available from its official web address. https://www.python.org. It is open source, that is, anyone can make changes in the source code freely. Integrated. It can be easily integrated with languages like C, C++, Java, etc. Interpreted. It is an interpreted language, that is, the code is executed line by line at a time. This makes debugging easy and is thus suitable for beginners. Object-oriented. Python supports object-oriented languages and concept of classes and objects. Portability. It is portable and can run equally on different platforms such as Windows, Linux, Unix, or Mac. GUI. Graphical user interfaces can be developed using Python. Opening Python. In Python shell, you can work in two ways: interactive mode, script mode. Let us learn about them. Interactive mode. In the interactive mode, you can type the command in the window and the Python interpreter will execute the command and give the result immediately. To work in the interactive mode, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Click on All Programs. Step 3. Click on Python 3.7. Step 4. Click on IDLE. Python 3.7 32-bit. The command interpreter window opens where you will see a Python prompt. Step 5. Type the command at the prompt and press Enter key. Script mode. You cannot save the commands in the interactive mode, and you can execute only one command at a time. So, if you want to reuse some commands or execute a group of commands, you need to save it in the form of file. You can do this in the script mode. Let us now learn how to create and execute a program in script mode. Creating first program in script mode. We shall now create a simple program in Python to display a message on the screen. The basic steps of creating a program are creating and writing program, executing or running the program, creating and writing a program. Step 1. Start Python IDLE and click on the File menu. Step 2. Click on New File option. A window opens. Step 3. Type the command, whatever you want. Step 4. Click on Save As option in File menu. Step 5. The Save As dialog box appears. Select the location where the file is to be saved and give a suitable name to your program. Step 6. Click on Save button. The file gets saved with the extension .py. Executing or running the program. After creating a file in Python, you have to run it to get the desired result. To do this, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on File menu. Step 2. Click on Open option. The Open dialog box opens. Step 3. Select your program file. Step 4. Click on Open button. Step 5. Click on Run and choose Run module option. You can see the result of the complete program in the window. It will execute all the commands. Variables. Variables are the named memory locations created in the main memory of computer, used to store data. During the program execution, these locations are created and identified by the name given by the user. Using variables, values are stored and manipulated to produce the desired results. Rules for naming variables. To form valid variable name in Python, you should follow certain rules for naming variable. These rules are as follows. Variable names should be meaningful so that they are easy to remember too. Variable name can be of any size. Variable name can have characters A to Z, lowercase, A to Z, uppercase, 0 to 9, numerals, and underscore. Variable name should begin with a letter or underscore. Variable name are case sensitive. For example, total and total are not same. Always remember that variable name should not be a keyword such as else, print, if, etc. Some examples of valid and invalid variable name are given below. Invalid variable name, valid variable name. Total sal, total underscore sal, lowercase. Class, class underscore stu. One name, name underscore one. Assigning values to variables. Values are assigned using equal sign. For example, A is equal to 10. The statement A is equal to 10 assigns the values 10 to variable A. Data types. As you know, your name contains only letters, whereas your age contains only numeric data. Unlike humans, a computer does not know the difference between letters and numeric data. So, data type is a kind of classification that tells the computer what type of value a variable can hold. In Python, data type represents the type of data stored in type of value, a variable. Each variable holds some data or value. These are used to identify the difference between values based on their data type. Some of the data types used in Python programming are data types, value, integer, 2, float, 15.2, boolean, 5 greater than 2, string, hello, integer. Integers are the whole numbers consisting of plus or minus sign, like 75, minus 22, 0, 9000. It stores values in the range of minus 2147483648 to 2147483647. Float. Number with fractions or decimal point are called floating point numbers. For example, 17.3, 365.24. Boolean. It represents logical values in the form of true and false. In Boolean, 0 represents false and 1 represents true. String. String is a sequence of one or more letters or characters. It is enclosed in single quotes or double. A string can contain any character or sign, including space. For example, hello, hello friends, name, welcome, etc. are string constants. Python built-in functions. Built-in functions are those functions which are always available for use. We can use these functions directly in our program whenever required. A wide variety of built-in function is available in Python. Some of these functions are print. In Python, print function is used to print a specified message, string, or any other object to the screen. It is also used to display the output of any instruction given by user. This function is able to take more than one argument. To define the clear meaning of print function, some statements and their output are given below. Print good morning. Print sum of 5 plus 10 is 5 plus 10. The above statements will give the output good morning and sum of 5 plus 10 is 15, respectively. Now, let's see the working of print function with the help of an example. Example, in this program, user enter the value of two variables, that is A and B, and displays the value of variables on the screen. Example, write the program in Python which displays a student information like input. The input function is used to accept a value for a variable from the user. If the user define a variable with a data type such as int or float, in such a case, input function is used to input integer and float values for the defined variable. Python input function always converts the user input into a string. To perform calculations on it, we need to change it into integer or float. For this, we can use int or float functions. Comments in Python. Comments are the statements that are added to a program with the purpose of making the code easier to understand. Comments are lines that exist in computer programs that are ignored by compilers and interpreters. Comments can serve as notes to yourself or reminders, or they can be written with the intention of other programmers being able to understand what your code is doing. Types of comments in Python. There are two types of comments in Python: single line comment, Multi-line comment. Single line comment. In Python, we use hash, special character, to start the comment. Multi-line comment. To have a multi-line comment in Python, we use triple single quotes at the beginning and at the end of the comment.